Most people panic the moment CoinPop stops working. The app won't load, games don't track time, or rewards suddenly stop increasing. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, it's not a broken app problem. It's usually a simple issue with settings, connection, or tracking permissions. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix CoinPop not working in 2026, step by step, so you can get back to earning without frustration. Let's start with the most common issue. The first reason CoinPop stops working is a weak or unstable internet connection. The app needs a constant connection to track your gameplay. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data drops even for a few seconds, tracking can freeze. So the first fix is simple. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and restart the app body. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many users like Alex think the app is broken, but it's actually just stuck in the background. That leads us to the second fix. Close the app completely and reopen it. On Android, this clears temporary glitches that stop game tracking or reward updates. This alone fixes a large number of issues. But here's the problem most people miss. CoinPop relies heavily on permissions. If your phone restricts background activity, the app cannot track gameplay properly. So go into Settings, find CoinPop, and make sure battery optimization is turned off. Also allow background data usage. Next, let's talk about outdated versions. If you're using an older version of the app, it may not sync properly with the servers. Go to the Play Store and update CoinPop to the latest version. This often fixes reward tracking bugs instantly. Now here's another important fix. If your games are not registering time, it could be because you're switching apps too quickly. CoinPop needs active screen time in supported games. If you minimize too often, tracking pauses or resets. Another simple but powerful fix is clearing cache. Go into your phone settings, open app storage, and clear CoinPop's cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that may be causing errors. So, what should you do if nothing works? Uninstall and reinstall the app. Then log back into your account. This resets all tracking systems and often restores normal functionality. So here's the final takeaway. CoinPop not working is almost never a serious issue. It's usually internet, permissions, background restrictions, or outdated app versions. If you follow these steps carefully, most problems get fixed within minutes. If this helped you, like the video, comment what issue you are facing, and subscribe for more quick fix guides and app troubleshooting tips.